Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today's video about how to repair a noisy mixer grinder. Mostly many of the mixer grinder making unnecessary noise due to two reasons. First reason is bush and second reason is carbon. Mixer grinder is making the unnecessary irritating noise due to carbon. So today I am going to show you how to repair this. Remove the bottom cover screw. Remove the wire from circuit breaker. And remove the circuit breaker out from the bottom cover. Remove the wires out from the controller switch. The wire which is connected between the motor and controller switch and between power supply wire and controller switch. Remove the top cover screw. Remove the coupler out from the shaft. And remove the top cover. Remove the rubber gasket which is fixed on the top. Separate the removed wires carefully to avoid getting cut off. Remove the earth wire from the motor part till you complete the work. Remove the brush cap and take out the carbon brush out from the carbon holder. Here both the end of the carbon brush have been worn out. So the carbon brushes should be replaced immediately. If not, there is an easy way to reuse that carbon brushes. Just scrub off the ends of that carbon brushes in a surface area till it's getting proper shape. Now I made the ends of both the carbon brush in a proper shape. Fix the carbon brush back into the carbon holder. Close the brush cap. Connect the removed wire to the controller switch. Insert the wires inside and fix the motor part in the body. Close the top cover and fix the circuit breaker in the bottom cover and connect the wires of the circuit breaker. Fix the bottom cover and tighten the screw. Now I am testing the mixer grinder in series. Now I am testing in all speed, working in proper direction. If it works in reverse, just reverse the connection of the carbon brushes. Now I am testing in direct current. No more sparking sound. So guys, like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.